Good morning, Namaste, Hare Krishna. On the auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti, a lot of people have been visiting our O2 natural habitat. This habitat is approximately a 5,000 square feet of area. It will be done within for next 4 to 5 days. People from ISKCON and Goshala have been visiting this place today. This is the main entrance door, and this is the majestic cottage, completely handmade of bamboo, only bamboo actually. This is the kitchen area, this is the living room, and look at this, what we have over here. This is the plunge pool actually, here inside the cottage naturally, and then we have a waterfall over here, and this is the pond area. I mean, it looks really beautiful. This cottage is situated in an area which is completely, you have a complete experience of wilderness. That's the point. This is the master bedroom. This is how it's connected over the living room. Oval entrance door. I'll show you the upstairs first. Right? Let's start from upstairs. Look at this. At the ceiling. This will be the bedroom. Office area. And this is such a beautiful painting over here. Lovely painting, completely made of bamboo. Pillars, top paintings. I'll show you the downstairs now.